Hello and welcome to Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. This is number 3 in a series of 20 videos introducing you to our essence line according to the order of our essence spectrum chart. Today we'll be talking to you about Cherry Essence for cheerfulness. And the first thing that comes to mind, of course, is that life is like a bowl of cherries, which perfectly captures the vibration of this special essence. For cheerfulness, Cherry Essence can help you to have a more light-hearted, less heavy attitude toward life. It's a great brightener of attitudes. For children, this essence is helpful during periods of withdrawal or sadness, and for pets when they act ornery, listless, or disinterested in their surroundings, though please be sure to rule out medical causes.
Spirit in Nature's Cherry Essence enhances the following qualities: light-heartedness, hope, inspiration to others, seeing the good in everything, being optimistic, holding positive attitudes, the ability to make light of difficulties, and lastly, for genuine even-mindedness.
The benefits of Spirit in Nature essences are greatly enhanced when used with affirmations. If you'd like to do so now, please repeat after me the Cherry Essence Affirmation. I swim gaily on the sea of life, joyfully breasting the dancing waves of bliss. I swim gaily on the sea of life, joyfully breasting the dancing waves of bliss. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. We wish for you perfect well-being.